We'll guide you through how to block unknown callers or numbers on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you're experiencing a lot of spam or unknown calls. These can get really annoying because your phone's always ringing and you may think that it's still important, like a contact, but it's not. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and block these. Make sure it's full guide so you know what to do step by step and we can go and stop them. So it's important to note that you may end up missing some important calls if they come through as unknown callers, so do consider that. But still, if you want to go ahead with this, what we need to do is go and find the phone app on your phone like so and open it up. Now what you need to do is you want to go and head to the bottom of the phone app and you want to come to the keypad as we are here. Then what you need to do is you want to go and head to the top right. There you're going to go and find the three dots. You can tap there. That opens up some different options, but you want to come down to the bottom of the list and find the option for settings and tap there to go and open it up. Go and wait. Then at the top, it'll go and say block numbers. So you want to go and tap there. So first of all, we can go and just block calls for unknown numbers. So you can go and switch that on like so. Then what you can also do is come into block spam and scam calls. So you can go and tap there. And then what you can do is you can go and switch this on like this. And it's going to use something called higher to identify spam and scam callers, as well as other callers who aren't in your contacts. And you can also go and switch on block spam and scam calls like so. And you can then go and do only high risk or all. So it's going to be up to you there. So that's it. Now they should go and be blocked. Of course, you can manually add in numbers here if you want to as well. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos. Have a great day and feel free to go and check out the channel for more useful guides.